More on that, the Enforcement Directorate has uncovered a massive black money racket worth over 1,000 crore involving private distilleries, bottling firms and officials from the state-run liquor corporation, which is TASMAC. Now, during the raids across multiple districts on the 6th of March, the Enforcement Directorate discovered large-scale corruption within TASMAC offices. Shocking details that have now emerged in Enforcement Directorate's probe into TASMAC cases when it comes to the agency that has uncovered incriminating evidence showing officials at TASMAC were involved allegedly in manipulating transport tenders, bar license tenders and transfer postings. Investigations have revealed TASMAC outlets were charging consumers 10 to 30 above when it comes to the MRP, while distillery company has offered kickbacks to officials for supply orders. Senior officials are also accused of collecting bribes for staff transfers and postings, and the ED searches have revealed a massive financial fraud involving distillery companies and TASMAC officials. Now, as far as what has been the findings so far when it comes to the Enforcement Directorate, reportedly unearthing a nexus involving the DMK minister and other senior politicians as well. However, when it comes to 1,000 crore TASMAC scam that seems to have rocked Tamil Nadu, and the DMK minister is said to be under the lens. However, saying that he will who is currently overseeing Senthil Balaji, the electricity prohibition and excise portfolios, is said to be under the scrutiny of the Enforcement Directorate as the raids revealed alleged collusion between officials, politicians and distillery owners as well. Distilleries across Tamil Nadu systematically inflated expenses and created fake purchases, primarily through bottle making companies diverting around 1,000 crores into unaccounted funds and shell companies. And the illicit proceeds were channeled into kickbacks to secure inflated supply orders from the Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation Limited, which is TASMAC. Let's get in a word from Dharni, who is joining us live right now. Dharni, good morning. The Enforcement Directorate is said to have uncovered this massive black money racket worth over 1,000 crores. What all has been found till now that involves private distilleries, bottling firms and the officials of the state-run liquor corporation, which is TASMAC?
Well, the Enforcement Directorate a few days back released a statement that they found irregularities allegedly worth rupees 1,000 crores in the state-run TASMAC liquor shops in Tamil Nadu. The Enforcement Directorate had conducted multiple rounds of raids in many TASMAC shops and the distilleries attached to the TASMAC shops. And at the end of the raids, the ED put out a statement telling that there seems to be unaccounted cash and there seems to be irregularities worth rupees 1,000 crores. And Tamil Nadu BJP Chief Annamalai has also been raising this issue for the last 1 week, and in fact today the BJP is planning to stage a protest in front of the TASMAC headquarters in Chennai around 10:30 a.m. But meanwhile, the concerned minister, that is the Minister for Excise, Senthil Balaji, he gave a press meet a couple of days back clarifying that the allegations made by the Enforcement Directorate are baseless. He says that there is no irregularity or there is no fraud happening in the TASMAC department, and all the distilleries, they are being monitored properly. There is no irregularity happening in any of the distilleries and any of the branches, is what Senthil Balaji has to say. And he is also calling this vendetta politics. He is telling that because the Tamil Nadu government is taking up the issue of delimitation and the three-language policy very seriously, and because the state government is trying to explain to the people the grave concerns regarding these issues, the BJP is shattered. So the BJP wants to threaten the state government through these Enforcement Directorate raids to TASMAC shops. So this is nothing but vendetta politics, and the TASMAC administration will handle this issue legally. They will face this issue legally in the courts, is what Mr. Senthil Balaji had told. And he is the Minister for Excise in the state of Tamil Nadu. But still the BJP doesn't seem to be convinced, and they will stage a protest today around 11 o'clock in front of TASMAC headquarters in Chennai against the alleged liquor scam.
So the BJP is saying that they will hold a protest against what they have been calling it as the gross misuse when it comes to such kind of scam that they have alleged worth over 1,000 crores as far as this disparity is concerned, because the investigation by the central agency prompted multiple raids across the state-owned organizations, including TASMAC and related premises, and unearthed an alleged illegal nexus amongst politicians, including when it comes to certain officials and businessmen. Let's in the meantime also talk about how actor Vijay, who heads the TVK, has also accused the ruling DMK government of corruption in the state-run Tamil Nadu Marketing Corporation Limited, known as TASMAC. He's claimed that the DMK was complicit in the liquor scam and called for an independent investigation. Vijay here was referring to the recent Enforcement Directorate raids on TASMAC premises and individuals who were said to be linked to the liquor network in the state. And he says that the investigation has exposed a web of corruption in its functioning.